snow out there right now, huh? Hey, if you're going to be traveling on the T to get home, get to the T. It's going to be shutting down at 3:30. That gives you 17 minutes right now to get to the T and make your way home after that's going to shut down. What are you doing where you're at?
Oh, I got my kids. I hooked the sled up my car. I'm driving down my road. Kids in the back.
Wait. You hooked up your sled to what?
My car.
How old are your kids?
The 10-year-old. I'm going to 14-year-old.
Oh, you got a lot of kids back there then, huh?
Oh, too many.
So you got to get home and make some more kids after they go to bed.
No.
Come on, that's everybody's favorite pastime within a big storm. Yeah, make some more kids. Go do it.
I need a boy. They're all girls.
There you go. Keep going, man. Woo! Cheering for you tonight.
Travel Blizzard warning a state of emergency and a travel ban statewide. That starts at 4 o'clock. It's pretty major. If caught on the road, you could face a fine up to $500 of as statewide. Visibility will be reduced. And as the winds whip out there, please be flying free. And with it down power lines and broken traffic lights. National Grid now reporting almost 6,000 customers without power. And the MBTA a full shutdown of service at 3:30. In the iRoads.com traffic studio.
And download the iHeartRadio app onto your smartphone. We'll be here with the latest Kiss 108.
Imagine seeing your kids get home safely without actually being there. Imagine checking on your home or setting the alarm with your mobile phone or computer. Xfinity Home from Comcast is your total home security and home control solution that keeps you more connected to your home and family, whether you're there or not. Call 1-800-XFINITY and get 24/7 monitoring, text and email alerts, remote alarm and light controls, and remote video monitoring, plus battery and cellular backup, giving you peace of mind whether you're there or not. Stay more connected to what matters most and sign up for the Xfinity Home Preferred package and save $10 per month over ADT Pulse Advantage service. Plus, get over $925 worth of equipment included. This is home security reimagined. Call 1-800-XFINITY. Restrictions apply. Residential customers only. Pricing subject to change. 3-year agreement required at $39.95 per month for monitoring service. Early termination fee applies. Installation taxes, video equipment, and service fees extra. Requires Xfinity Internet service. Savings based on comparison as of January 17, 2013.
This is Wayne from Ski House, Burlington, Mass, tax-free Salem, New Hampshire. And this is Steve, 65. You know what we have 65 of? What's that, Steve? We have 65 different models of boots in all different shapes and sizes to find our customers the perfect fit for all performance levels, all with our famous guaranteed fit. And over 95 models of skis, all tested by our staff to help our customers find the perfect model for what and where they ski. We guarantee it, all from the best brands like Rosinol, Dynastar, Atomic, K2, Icelandic, Line, Technica. I could go on forever. And don't forget the clothing we have from the best brands like the North Face, Obermeyer, Marker, Flylow, Canada Goose, Boldner, and several more. All with weekly specials to help save you money. So swing into either one of our stores off I-95's exit 32B in Burlington, Mass, or off I-93's exit 1 in snowy, tax-free Salem, New Hampshire.
Every day I'm hustling.
From Universal Pictures,
Let's get it going.
critics are calling Identity Thief the first great comedy of the new year.
That's great news.
It's absolutely hilarious. Bridesmaids Melissa McCarthy and Jason Bateman are drop-dead funny.
I got no money, I got no time, I've got no pants. Whose pants are these?
I took him off a dead hobo, so
Guy died in these?
good fit, huh?
From the director of Horrible Bosses and the producer of Ted, Identity Thief, now playing rated R, under 17, not admitted without parent.
Hi, Billy Costa here to let you know there's a new game in town. It's WGBH's High School Quiz Show. Join me every week to cheer on and support the smartest kids in Massachusetts as they compete to become state champions. An all-new season of High School Quiz Show premieres Sunday at 6:30 on WGBH2. Major sponsorship is provided by Safety Insurance and by the Bank of America Charitable Foundation.
In the mood for something real? Visit the 99 restaurants for 9 real-size entrees for only $9.99, like the Country Fried Chicken or New Orleans Shrimp. Available all day, every day, only at the 99 restaurants.
Bob, everybody else in the furniture business has a sale every week. It's psychological. Don't most people think they're getting a better deal if somebody tells them it's on sale? So why don't you take advantage of the same tactic other stores use?
Because I couldn't sleep at night. It's exactly the opposite of my Bob's way. I would never try to trick hardworking people into believing that there's always a sale. Week in and week out. It's just not real. Think about it. If it's always on sale, isn't the so-called sale price really the regular price? And to add insult to injury, when you compare their so-called sale prices to the everyday prices at My Bob's Discount Furniture, I beat them every time. I will never, ever stoop so low as to mark my furniture way up, just so I can mark it back down and say it's on sale all the time. Not me. No way, no how.
New year, loads of new products, but some things never change. The honesty, integrity, and true everyday values at Bob's Discount Furniture.
So what's up for?
It felt right.
It was me, wasn't it?
It was all you.
This Valentine's Day, make a date with the most romantic movie of the year.
Would you like to go canoeing with me?
Yes, I would.
From the author of The Notebook and from the director of Dear John.
I haven't had that much fun in a long time. You deserve this, kitty.
Trust your heart
I'm happy here with you.
to keep you safe.
I love you.
I'm so glad you know.
Safe Haven, rated PG-13. Some materials will be inappropriate for children under 13. In theaters Thursday, February 14th.
Dr. Geflicken, fake doctor, here for Okemo Mountain Resort. Aside from cooties, there's one diagnosis I see a lot of these days. It's called frowny face. It's highly contagious and known to affect entire families. Luckily, Okemo Mountain Resort offers the only known cure, fun. Our success lies in our comprehensive approach, from great skiing and riding to amazing off-slope activities for all. No resort is so successful in curing frowny face, even when the condition has spread and turned into the dreaded cranky butt. So come to Okemo and let the fresh mountain air massage your frowny face away. After all, I may not be a real doctor, but I am wearing a real doctor's coat. Shh, I stole it.
It's time to fun it up. The snow is flying and so are the smiles because Okemo has great lodging deals and fantastic skiing and riding conditions to match. For tickets and information, visit okemo.com. Okemo Mountain Resort. For the fun of it.
Stop & Shop helps me fuel up my family and my car. With Stop & Shop gas rewards, I earn 1 point for every $1 I spend with my Stop & Shop card. For every 100 points I earn, I save 10 cents a gallon on gas. I can even check my points total online. Happy car. And right now, through February 14th, I get double gas rewards when I buy great General Mills products like Cheerios, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Progresso Soup, which are all on sale to fuel up my family. Happy family. Stop & Shop. For savings, it's the only way to go.
Planet Fitness joined by February 13th for just $10 down and pay just $10 a month.
WXKS-FM is participating in a nationwide promotion where each weekday 10 listeners will win $1,000 cash. For your chance to win, listen here 6 a.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time through February 22nd. Hear the cue to play and design keyword. You have 15 minutes to text the correct word to 36500 or use official entry form to submit keyword online at iHeartRadio.com or Kiss108.com. Only one entry per person. Multiple entries will be disqualified. Potential winners selected at random must answer the phone within 5 minutes after the play has closed and agree to have their reaction recorded for broadcast purposes to be considered a winner and eligible to receive a prize. 300 national prizes provided by Clear Channel Media and Entertainment. Individual station participation times may vary. Play not valid on weekends. Text message entrance. Agree to receive text related to this and similar promotions during the promotions period. Standard message and data rates may apply. Not all carriers covered. To opt out and receive confirmation, text STOP to stop future messages or email text opt out at clearchannel.com with your wireless number. Entrants must be 18 and older and legal residents of the 50 states DC. No purchase necessary. Odds of winning depend upon the amount of qualified entries received overall from all participating stations during the individual playtimes. Visit Kiss108.com for local playtimes and opportunities or for text entry terms and conditions and the official rules which govern. Other restrictions may apply. Be safe. Don't text and drive.
Hey, this is Kesha. Kesha, come on. I'm Boston's hit music station, Kiss 108.